Are you trying to find the perfect Dewalt drill that can handle any job without draining your wallet? Don't worry, we've tested the top Dewalt drills and picked options that cover every budget and project. Today, I'm going to be going over the best Dewalt drill that you can get right now. All of the products mentioned are linked in the description, so check them out if you're interested in any of them. With that, let's begin. At number 5, we have the Dewalt DCD801QQ2. From the moment you lift it, the Dewalt DCD801QQ2 exudes a purpose-built feel aimed at professional tradespeople seeking efficiency. This model targets professionals who demand reliability on job sites, offering quick setup, minimal maintenance, and robust ergonomic handling during long shifts. The chassis presents a stout build with a reinforced plastic overmold and metal side plates that resist typical site wear. Its compact profile pairs with a 2-speed gearbox that balances precision driving at low speed and rapid drilling when power is needed. Dimensions stay manageable thanks to a slim 7.5-inch head length and balanced weight distribution, reducing user fatigue during extended tasks. The Dewalt DCD801QQ2 ships with a brushless motor, delivering higher efficiency and longer service life compared to brushed competitors. Variable speed trigger and a 1/2-inch chuck provide versatile control for wood and masonry tasks when used with proper bits. The ergonomic grip and balanced center of gravity reduce wrist strain, promoting accurate drilling with less fatigue across demanding projects. In field tests, the drill maintains steady performance across hardwood and metal, staying cool and responsive even after repeated breaks. Its ergonomic design helps maintain precision when drilling overhead, with minimal hand fatigue noted during long days on site. Real-world testing confirms reliable clutch engagement during heavy drilling tasks, with consistent bit grip under load across multiple materials and temperatures. When compared to the Dewalt DCD791, the DCD801QQ2 delivers longer runtime and steadier torque, though slightly heavier in hand. The pros include compact design, long battery life, and reliable brushless motor. The cons include higher price and heavier weight. At number 4, we have the Dewalt DCD1007B. From the moment you unbox it, this compact driver signals reliability to both DIY enthusiasts and professionals seeking dependable everyday performance. Its ergonomic grip and balanced weight distribution seem tailored for overhead tasks and prolonged use without causing premature fatigue. The chassis combines a robust metal housing with a compact profile, delivering weather-resistant durability while remaining manageable in tight spaces. Its dimensions measure around 7 inches in length and a slim grip that facilitates access in cramped cabinetry and panel installations. It features a 1/2-inch chuck with a user-friendly single-sleeve design that enables rapid, secure bit changes on site. In terms of performance, it delivers smooth drilling across common materials and readily adapts to fastening tasks with controlled torque. The compact design minimizes tool wobble during high-precision work, allowing consistent bit seating and reducing the need for rework. A bright LED light and a compact form factor improve visibility in dark corners, helping to drive accurately without repositioning repeatedly. In practical testing, it maintains steady torque while drilling into soft woods and responds crisply to trigger modulation during driving tasks. During overhead assembly and cabinetry, the tool remains comfortably balanced, reducing arm strain after extended use and improving precision. Battery life holds up well relative to similar compact drills, delivering consistent performance until near exhaustion indicated by a diminishing speed response. Compared to the Milwaukee M12 Fuel, the Dewalt exerts stronger torque in a similarly compact package, delivering faster results on stubborn fasteners. The pros include excellent balance, long battery life, and robust build quality. The cons include higher price and heavier weight. At number 3, we have the Dewalt DD3061. Initial impressions emphasize comfort with a well-balanced grip, smooth trigger action, and a compact silhouette suitable for overhead work and tight spaces. The Dewalt W161 respects durability with a polymer body and metal front housing that absorb impacts while maintaining precise alignment during use. Target audience appears to be professionals and serious DIYers seeking a reliable, affordable option for light drilling and driving tasks. In hand, the Dewalt DD3061 feels sturdy yet approachable, with a balanced weight distribution that minimizes fatigue during extended sessions. Its size enables tight access in cabinetry, while the metal-geared front end provides modest protection against impacts during busy workdays. Overall dimensions emphasize a compact footprint with a slim profile that enhances maneuverability in cramped spaces and overhead zones. The Dewalt W11361 offers a variable speed trigger and a metal chuck for improved grip and durability during drilling. It includes a reliable clutch system with multiple torque settings suited for driving screws and delicate materials accurately. Powered by a compatible 20-volt max battery, it delivers consistent performance and quick recharge cycles that minimize downtime. In practical tasks, the drill handles hardwood and softwood with steady torque and minimal stall, proving reliable for cabinetry and framing work. During overhead drilling, users notice the soft handle texture and balanced weight distribution, reducing fatigue on long sessions. Compared with the Milwaukee M12 drill driver, the Dewalt feels more ergonomic for prolonged use, while Milwaukee offers tougher battery life. The pros include excellent ergonomics, solid build quality, and outstanding value for professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike today. The cons include modest performance in heavy masonry tasks and average runtime when paired with lower capacity batteries. At number 2, we have the Dewalt D115K. This compact corded drill targets professional tradespeople and serious DIY enthusiasts seeking reliable power, consistent torque, and durable everyday performance. Initial impressions suggest a tool designed for professional workloads, delivering solid reliability without sacrificing manageable size or balance. The shell and chassis feel robust, with a compact frame that minimizes bulk while maintaining rigidity for tough drilling tasks. Its 3/8-inch keyed chuck ensures precise bit retention amid vibrations, reducing slip and improving overall drilling accuracy. Ergonomics balance weight distribution with a comfortable grip, significantly reducing fatigue during extended sessions and overhead use in awkward positions. One standout feature is the smooth trigger response, enabling fine control when starting holes or driving screws in tight joints. The design also integrates robust internal gearings and a compact body that reduces fatigue during prolonged use in confined spaces. A dependable clutch provides measured torque for wood and metal, helping prevent cam out and improving overall finish quality. In real-world testing, performance held up under demanding carpentry tasks, with consistent RPM and steady torque across multiple materials. During metal drilling, the motor stayed cool, and bit wear remained within expected ranges, indicating solid build quality for professional use. The absence of battery requirements ensures uninterrupted operation during long projects, but limits portability when moving between sites without power. In direct comparison with a popular cordless competitor from Milwaukee, the Dewalt D115K maintains steady power when plugged in and under load. The pros include 8-amp motor performance, an ergonomic grip that reduces fatigue, and a durable metal gear construction designed for long life. The cons include corded design limiting mobility and lack of built-in LED light, which can hinder work in dim areas. At number 1, we have the Dewalt DCH273B. From the moment you unbox, this tool signals professional intent, targeting tradespeople who require serious drilling and chipping performance without sacrificing portability. Its brushless motor, precise balance, and rugged casing promise long service life and reliable performance on tough job sites. The build quality exudes durability with solid machining, reinforced housing, and a dependable clutch system that guards against sudden tool failures. Ergonomic design with a comfortable grip reduces fatigue during extended sessions and improves control when working overhead or in confined spaces. Despite strong hardware, the chassis remains compact, enabling one-handed operation and easier transport between sites. The tool uses an SDS Plus chuck, enabling rapid bit changes and versatile applications across masonry. The selectable mode dial lets you switch between drilling, chiseling, and hammer drilling, empowering you to optimize output for the material. The variable speed trigger pairs with a responsive clutch to deliver smooth starts and controlled impact energy for precision work. In practical field tests, it maintained consistent performance across repeated holes and chisels while keeping vibration and heat within manageable levels. Battery life and charging speed impressed, with rapid top-ups that minimize downtime during long days on project sites. The design focuses on durability over flash, with a metal core and reinforced accessories that resist daily wear and tear. Compared to the Makita XFD12Z and similar drills, the Dewalt DH273B offers steadier impact control and easier bit changes, albeit at a higher price. The pros include exceptional durability, efficient brushless motor, and comfortable ergonomic grip. The cons include a higher price and heavier weight.